everybody, I'm Adam Christofferson, General Manager for Winnebago Towables. Today we're here to talk about the all-new M-Series by Winnebago Towables. First, let's talk about the why. A number of years ago, we kind of helped create the narrow-body laminated trailer space, bringing customers that narrow-body, lightweight, compact travel trailer. Over the years, as inflation and features have gone up, we've seen prices go up. Now, in today's market, we're seeing consumers who just want the basics to get them out camping, and M-Series delivers that for the end consumer. So let's jump in and talk about some of the features and the build quality. We maintain that BAL NXG frame. That's going to be a huck-bolted frame that is all assembled with a huck bolt that has computer-controlled fasteners that will not over torque or under torque. It has laser aligned outriggers to help give you a true zero to build a better box on that frame, as well as to help withstand some of the rigors of the road. That high strength, low alloy steel is going to be E-coated and fully dipped to coat the outside and the inside of all the tubes. Your M-Series is going to be standard with 20-pound propane tank, helping fuel some of your amenities on board, which we'll get into in more detail. You'll have a standard power tongue jack to help lower and raise, getting your hitch on and off of your tow vehicle. Some other features as we move to the side here are going to be your side mount camera prep on both sides that are integrated into your running light here. We do have a thicker core baggage door for a better fit, as well as heat and cold transfer. And a couple nice things that we're going to have right inside here are you're going to see a solar charge controller. So you will have standard on the M-Series a 200-watt solar panel on the roof. You do have the ability to add another 200-watt panel right on the roof that will run through this 30-amp charge controller, as well as on the off-camp side, you do have a port to bring portable solar with you if you want expansion capabilities, and it's all run right through that charge control monitor. In addition, you do have the TireLink TPMS system, so you can buy that aftermarket from a dealer or online, and then you can monitor the tire pressure from your tow vehicle going down the road. As we continue to come on down here, you'll see nice big windows all along the campsite here. You'll see a large LED lit awning that will encompass a lot of coverage over here on your campsite. We will have leaf spring suspension, giving you plenty of opportunity to get into traditional campgrounds, as well as nice clearance if you do want to get off the beaten path. You will have fully enclosed, sealed, and heated underbelly. So as long as your furnace is on in the inside, you're going to be forcing heat into the underbelly. But what's also nice is we give you 12-volt tank pad heaters, one on your fresh, one on your gray, and one on your black. There's going to be a switch on the inside, which we'll talk about when we go in there, that you can activate the 12-volt tank pad heaters that will run off of the battery. As we continue on down, you will see that you have a nice triple solid entry step, giving you nice ease and exit going in and out of the coach. A large entrance assist handle. Now, some of the features that we've talked about are going to be incorporated into this Comfort Tech and Explorer type package. So the Comfort Tech, like we talked about, that gives you the fully enclosed, sealed, and heated underbelly with the 12-volt tank pad heaters. But what that also gives you is UV blocking foil paper in your roof, so that way it will actually reflect the sun's UV rays down into warmer climates. Your Explorer package, kind of what we've talked about, is you've got nice 15-inch tires, you've got the HD leaf spring suspension, you've got tinted windows, I've got block foam insulation here for the laminated sidewalls, giving you nice 3-season camping capability. Now, finishing up as we come to the rear here, we're going to give you a nice bumper to help protect the rear wall, as well as the spare tire back here, standard on all M-Series. We'll have LED lighting with high mount LED brake lights for safety. And then I'm going to have, in conjunction with the side camera prep, I'm going to have rear camera prep standard on all M-Series, as well as ladder prep. So if you choose, you can have a ladder that will get you onto your fully walkable roof, so you can get up there, clean your solar panels, add that second solar panel, check your caulks and seals, and keep your roof maintained, because it is a fully walkable roof. So now we're gonna head on into the inside and check out all the features that the inside has to offer on the all-new M-Series. This particular floor plan is the 2326 RK. Before we go into all the details of this particular layout, I do want to take a time to pause and point out some of the appointments and some of the styling. This is still going to maintain some of that Winnebago styling that we have throughout our other family of products, and a little bit more modern and contemporary and full overlay cabinets, taking advantage of adding as many doors and drawers as we can, and giving you some of the nice creature comforts of home, such as, you know, covering up a control panel or breaker box there, so you're not having to kind of look at that in your kitchen galley area there, and maintaining just light and bright colors and allowing the end consumer to go ahead and accessorize with the finishing touches that they would like. So as we dive in here, want to start back by the control panel here, nice Winnebago branded control panel. This is where you're going to control a lot of the functions of your travel trailer. You're going to maintain and run your slide in and out if it is applicable on your floor plan. You can extend and retract the awning, as well as control the awning light, the LED strip light. I can maintain all of my holding tank levels and check the levels of those, as well as the battery level. I can control the gas electric water heater here. So again, on propane mode or on gas mode is going to be powered off the 20-pound propane tank. The electric water heater mode is going to be run off the 110 plugged into shore power. And then I've got the water pump feature here to force water throughout the travel trailer, and that's going to be powered off 110. Here's one thing that we talked about on the outside about the fully enclosed sealed and heated underbelly. As long as your furnace is on, you're going to force heat to the underbelly. But also we've got those 12-volt tank pad heaters on the fresh tank, the gray tank, and the black tank, and you can actually control that by the switch here, and it will light up red once you have that powered on, and kind of go back off once you've powered that off. So getting into some of the particulars of the 2326 RK floor plan, this is a 23-foot box. It's a 26-foot overall length. Comes in at under 5,000 pounds dry weight. You can see some of the nice features of here are going to be this big, spacious rear kitchen. I've got two nice size windows here that you're going to allow for a lot of natural light and getting some of that airflow in. If you're backed up to a nice lake or a river or anything like that, you'll have beautiful viewing out of that campsite. But I've got ample countertop space here to the right of the sink, to the left of the sink, and a deep kind of behind the sink there. My large single bowl stainless steel sink that features a high mount spout and actual pull down sprayer. We get two of the sink covers here that will allow you to have additional countertop space. I've got a 1.1 convection microwave, so doing all of your microwave and convection baking needs, as well as a 2-burner propane cooktop for any of your pots and pans cooking there. And then I've got a nice large pots and pans drawer just below that for storage. Good area here to have a garbage can, as well as nice silverware and additional overhead storage here in the actual kitchen galley area. Right behind me, powering to keep all of the food and beverages cold, is the standard 12-volt 10.3 cubic foot refrigerator. So the standard is a 12-volt that will be run off 12-volt power provided by the batteries. We do have the optional 8 cubic foot gas electric refrigerator. That gas electric refrigerator on gas mode will be powered by the propane on board, and the electric mode on that is actually 110 shore power there. So as we move into the middle area here, the living area of the rear kitchen, I'm going to have in the slide room area here a standard jackknife sofa, which can be opened up and jackknifed out for additional sleeping area. But in the sitting mode area, it is going to be nice direct viewing across from the optional TV. And just below that, we do have a standard dinette that gives you nice viewing out of your campsite, not on the off campsite looking at the neighbors, but this can also be converted down into additional sleeping. And then to go with, again, maintaining those large windows for natural light and ventilation and keeping that light and bright in here, I've got 2 large windows that are opposing each other from the sofa over to the dinette. And then at night, when you do want to come inside and you don't want your neighbors looking in, we do have a pull-down roller type blackout shade there on all the windows where applicable. So now we're going to head back into the bathroom area and work our way into the bedroom. So I do have a really nice walk-through bath area here, very spacious. Starting here, I've got a porcelain toilet with the foot flush. I've got a nice taller mirror here, so for anybody vertically shorter or taller can take advantage of that. And then I've got still a nice medicine cabinet here that will allow you to bring all of your toiletries and necessities along for camping, and great countertop space in the bathroom here to set up all of your toothbrushes, toothpaste, water cups that you may need. On the campsite here, on the opposite side of the walk-through bath, I've got a spacious 30 by 36 shower that gives me plenty of room. And then I've got a larger 14 by 22 skylight that will allow for additional headroom for taller campers. Now we'll finish up in the bedroom here. What's really nice, in a 26-foot narrow body travel trailer, I do have a full private, full private bedroom with my full privacy wall and my sliding door here. I'm gonna have a standard RV queen with storage below. And then I do have nice storage. We'll have the storage up top of the headrest here, and then on both sides of the bed are gonna have hanging wardrobe space. Now, this particular trailer, we've got designed here in an open area here that is designed for mobile CPAPs and BiPAPs. And the M-Series is gonna be equipped with inverter prep standard directly from Winnebago. So your 2 outlets in the bedroom are gonna be able to be powered by an inverter if you choose to do so aftermarket, and you will have a handful of other switches throughout your trailer in the bathroom and in the main living area that are able to be run off of inverter for off-grid camping. So that's it for all of the interior features here on the M-Series. We'll wrap up back outside. I want to thank you for taking the time to join us and review the all-new M-Series from Winnebago Towables. The M-Series is debuting floor plans roughly around 25 to 26 feet and focusing on floor plans under 5,000 pounds. First, we have the 2225 MK. That is a mid-kitchen floor plan, and being a non-slide floor plan, it also is going to be focusing on a little bit of versatility of indoor-outdoor living space and some gear hauling with the rear pack-and-play door. Next, we have the 2326 RK, a 23-foot box with 26-foot overall length, a spacious rear kitchen with opposing sofa and dinette in the mid-living area, a great walk-through bathroom, and a private walk-around queen bed in the front bedroom. At Winnebago, we strive for legendary quality and innovative floor plans and products. Hopefully you'll see that we've maintained that through our heritage with the new M-Series, and we look forward to seeing you at a campground with your all-new M-Series or another product line from Winnebago Towables. Thank you.